bioengineering graduate program at Pitt is among the top 10 public graduate bioengineering programs in the nation, set in a hardworking city where students feel a strong sense of community.
Pittsburgh in general is the best city to be a graduate student in, just because it is incredibly accessible and incredibly affordable.
I think Pittsburgh as a city itself feels like a small town in a big city. Everybody is very neighborly.
And that feeling of community can also be sensed at Pitt, where we maintain a welcoming and supportive environment to inspire our students to become the next generation of leaders and innovators in the field. Our faculty take pride in adapting to the goals of our students.
In the sense, they're not only here to learn from experts and professors, but they also have their own ideas as to what is that they want to learn. And for that, they are sort of taking charge and trying to create their own activities. And our job is basically to support those aspirations and help them out.
I feel more like a professional student than and like a collaborator, I guess, than just someone who's taking classes.
The environment in which the faculty and the students operate is so amicable and collaborative that it's a joy to be here.
The collaborations extend from faculty and students to other departments at Pitt, including the world-renowned hospital system at UPMC and the university's top-ranked medical program.
This strong connection to the medical, biological world allows our students to really get interdisciplinary training and actually see their research work having connection to the real world, particularly in the clinical setting.
Pitt Bioengineers continue to forge new paths toward a better future, developing cutting-edge solutions to solve today's unmet medical and clinical needs.
Our students have ability to translate their basic research into either products or procedures that have direct clinical impact. And so that strong emphasis really helps many of our students to continue in the world of entrepreneurship, going into industry, innovating biomedical systems and devices, along with the traditional approaches of going into academia.
And when it comes to funding, the department covers 100% of its PhD students through individual faculty research grants, external fellowships, NIH training grants, and institutional support.
The funding that Pitt has in terms of the medical school and biomedical sciences, the funding gets from NIH, it's top 5 in the nation.
We are one of the fortunate departments of bioengineering throughout the country having 4 NIH training grants in our department.
There is power in numbers. We are a global community of 30,000 Pitt Panther engineers dedicated to finding innovative solutions to improve the human condition. Join the 175-year-old tradition and become a Panther engineer today.